Now this video is in response to the messages that I received asking how long it really takes me to set up my MFT when I use the rail alignment blocks. So I figured I'd make a quick video showing you my process straight through. But before we get to that, I would like to thank you for stopping by to watch this video. And if you're new to the channel and like what you saw here, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button before you go. So with that being said, let's begin. Well, there you have it. Less than 2 minutes and my MFT is completely set up. I checked the angles afterwards and they were spot on. But if you'd like to see a more detailed video about this jig and setup, please check the description. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and have a good one.